All right, we're getting there, folks. We're getting there. For example number 3. Explain why each graph does or does not show a proportional relationship. So what you all can do, maybe proportional graph. I'm just going to give you 2 simple rules. 2 simple rules that make a graph proportional. Constant growth. How do you see a constant growth? It's a straight line. I was hinting at this in the other problem. If it's turning, if it's bending, if it's doing different things, the constant growth will not be a straight line. It'll start to be a curve, or it'll just be going one direction and all of a sudden just turn another direction. That's a change in its growth. So that can occur. Um, Trying to think of an example right now of where at a certain point a projected path may change. But it can happen, okay? So what you need to look for is if it's a proportional graph, it must have a constant growth. In other words, a straight line. The second thing it must have, I know it kind of looks like a face, but that's the ordered pair 0, 0 origin. It must go through the origin. If I'm going to have a constant growth, it has to, if I have a certain unit rate that, for every one that I go, I increase by 20, then for it to be consistent, taking away 1 unit rate of 20 should take me directly back down to 0. So it must start or originate at the origin and have a straight line. So then knowing these rules, it's pretty quick and easy, like which ones are and aren't. So check X, X. So the first one's easy, starts at the origin, it's a perfect straight line. So yes, this is a proportional graph. Last one is easy too, because we have a flat line, a slight curve, and then a new curve. So it's changing its rate of change. It's changing its k value over time. It's not going to shift. If it's truly proportional, this k value is one constant value. So in this one, it looks like the k value is a half. So here, this one's the more challenging one. It's a straight line. It definitely has the same constant growth. In this case, the growth is a decrease. So we were at 30, and then another 300, we're at 10. So this is decreasing by like a third for every, well, that would be 3 for every 100. Yeah. For every 100, this is decreasing down by a third. But anyways, does it start at the origin? No, this graph starts up here. 0 is 30. So it starts at 0, 30. This is definitely not the origin. So this one, cancel it.